Hey folks, Tom Dowling, LensCaptureOnline. I'm out here in the LensCaptureOnline Proving Grounds, aka Gene Dry Lake Bed. I'm out here with a friend Corey and his kids. We're out here flying our various drones. Well guys, one of the things that's been pretty interesting this morning is the fact that we have ultralight airplanes also flying on the lake bed today. So pretty interesting to have to deal with that and making sure we keep eyes on them because they don't have eyes on us. So our job is always to avoid manned aircraft. So we're staying pretty close to our little camp over here that we have set up, and we're making sure that we don't get in their way. But not something we normally see out here on the dry lake bed, especially with the number of motorbikes, ATVs, and off-road vehicles that frequent this area. A lot of RVs out here as well. So having ultralights coming from touch and go landings can be a bit on the risky side. I hope they are a little more cautious about flying out here because it can get rather busy on this lake bed, especially with the weather being so beautiful. So something you got to watch out for wherever you're flying. You never know what you're going to encounter. This was a pretty unique one today. If you enjoy responsible aerial filmmaking, desert landscapes, and cinematic drone footage, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks again for watching.